What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's your man, it's Joby, and I'm bringing out a brand new video. I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 tips that I think every YouTuber should know. This video is not just for the YouTuber that is starting out. This video could apply to a channel that is bigger than me, to a channel that is smaller than me, to someone that hasn't even made their first video yet. Guys, with that being said, let's get straight into tip number 1, and that is being consistent. If I would have been consistent, I'd probably be bigger than I am right now, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. YouTube is a journey, and I'm on it. Guys, let me hit you with something. If this is not obvious enough, people only subscribe to your channel because they want to see more of you. Like I said, being consistent is hard. I had to put myself on a schedule. There was no way I was gonna upload every Wednesday and Sunday without, you know, scheduling it. This is what I did, and so far it's working for me. So if you're somebody that needs a schedule to be on top of your shit, especially when you're starting off, then I say do it. Do it. It's gonna really help you a lot, and trust me guys, it's made a world of a difference for me. This is something I've really benefited from, so I am speaking like 100% from personal experience on this. Guys, people need something to watch, so you gotta be consistent. If they're gonna subscribe to you, they wanna know you're gonna be uploading more videos. On to tip number 2. It has something to do with being consistent, but this time it's kind of being consistent with yourself. You guys need to put your 1,000 hours in. If you wanna be great at something, you really gotta put in the work. If you wanna be a great YouTuber, you gotta practice what a YouTuber does. You gotta do what a YouTuber does. There's no way you're gonna be great at something without practicing it. This tip really does focus on the beginning YouTuber, but it is important. If you are struggling to figure out what type of content you wanna make, don't. There is no reason to. If you are a true creator, don't limit yourself. Why would you do that? Do not limit yourself. If you are trying to create something and you're exploring this new field that you're entering, you know, YouTube being the way it is, then explore. See what kind of videos you want to make. See what kind of videos you like to make. Like for example, if you guys are making content about different ways to wipe your ass and people are starting to rock with that content, then don't stop. Keep making videos about wiping your ass. Sure, you could probably do 80% of what your subscribers want, which is how you wipe your ass or different ways to wipe your ass. And the other 20%, do what you want. You'll find out what they like, and who knows, you might even get a bigger fan base from doing what you like versus what, you know, your subscribers like. Like, not saying that you don't like what your subscribers like, but sometimes you don't always want to make a certain type of video. But pretty much what I want to say is, it's a lot easier pleasing one person versus 100,000. So please yourself. Make the videos you want to make, because right now it don't matter. You're the only one watching you. Okay, you are not trying to please anybody else but yourself. So focus on you, and then you can start thinking about your next step. The thing is, guys, this is something that I actually follow wholeheartedly. Like this is me speaking from personal experience. If I never made my therapies videos, my channel would not have over 100,000 views. If I would have never made that ecstasy video, then I probably would have never gotten noticed by a channel who has over 5 million subscribers, and that being Nazar's. So shout out to you, man. Thank you so much for the shout out. Yes guys, that's the whole thing, is make the content you want to make. And if you're debating on a video and if you're not really sure on if you really want to make it or not, make it. If nobody likes it, you could always delete it. Tip number 4 today is share your video everywhere. Now this one might sound kind of like, what do you mean everywhere? Like everywhere. I mean like everywhere. Your Facebook page, your Snapchat, your Instagram, your Twitter, share it everywhere. Even if there's people on your Facebook or Snapchat or Instagram that you don't want to see, that you don't want them to see the content you make, at the end of the day, you want people to watch, don't you? Right? And if you're starting off your YouTube, you need to find your way into the algorithm. If you're getting clicks from your Instagram or your Snapchat, that shows YouTube something. Trust me, guys. It really does. And hey, look, you don't know who your people know. You don't know. And what I mean by that is, like, let's say you share a video, right? And somebody that you're friends with decides to share that video too. And they might have really liked that video, so they decide to share it, and boom. Now that video is on a roll. It's gonna keep going. More and more people start liking it, and more people start sharing it, and you're starting to get subscribers and you're gaining views on your channel just because you decided to share one video one person rocked it. This is probably a 1 in 1,000 chance, but stuff like this happens. So guys, my advice to you is share everything. Share it all, and if they start ignoring you, screw it. One day they're gonna start noticing you, trust me. And the final tip I have for you guys today, and this one is this one's special. This one is special because this one kind of does speak to me and something I wish I could do more of. But show yourself gratitude. Gratitude to how far you've come as a YouTuber, to how far you've come as a creator. And on this platform, like, you were getting 10 views a video and now you're getting 50 views a video. You should be proud of that. You should be proud of that. Now, do not start comparing yourself to other people, because that's going to allow you to create this idea of self-doubt. Like, dang, this guy's got 100 views. This guy's got 1,000 views. This guy's got 1,000,000 views. You're going to be like, dang, my 50 is nothing compared to that. And that's when doubt starts creeping in and you start giving up on yourself. Thing is, you cannot give up on yourself. So what I like to do, and a message that I've heard 1,000 times from other people, is show gratitude. Be grateful for what you have. The 50 likes, the 50 views that you're getting on a video is more than 0. And I guarantee you at one point you were probably getting 0. So my advice to you is to keep going. My advice to you is to keep going. When I get 50 likes on a video, I'm stoked about it. Right? When my video gets 100 views the night before, I'm stoked about it. Like, I am so grateful for that. I cannot stress this message enough. I can't. Because the views and the comments and the likes, that I am grateful for. Because, like, dang, somebody actually messes with the content I make. But when it comes to seeing how far I developed as a creator, I have definitely robbed myself from that. Because if you guys want to see my first video... What's up, guys? This is Joby. That's how I used to talk on camera. And I used to edit on Windows Movie Maker, and now I'm using Premiere Pro. So that jump to me the jump in editing is drastic. The jump in me talking to the camera is drastic. And I've only been doing YouTube for a year and I don't even have 100 videos out yet. And yes, that's obviously because I haven't been consistent enough. But now that I made this video and I'm gonna watch it and take these tips and, you know, put it to my life and to my YouTube career, let me know which one of those tips was your favorite down in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel and make sure you have those post notification bell on, because I post videos every single Wednesday and Sunday. So guys, be on the lookout for those. Guys, more bangers coming to this channel, I promise you. If you have any other questions and, you know, want to get personal with me, feel free to follow me on my Instagram, which is popping up right here, right now. Or add me on Snapchat. I will add you back. Add Snap at you, unless I get way too many ad backs, so we'll see. But at this point, guys, thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for rocking with me and watching this whole video. You're the ones that made it to the end of this video, so with that being said, it's your boy, it's your man, it's Joby, and I'm going out.